Here we have a Testor's SkyHawk single channel pulser from the 60s, early 70s. Most likely the first ARF or almost ready to fly plane that was ever manufactured and sold. Again, like I said, it was single channel pulser where the rudder flapped back and forth equally until you shorten or lengthen the pulse. Let's see how it works now. Turn on the plane. See, as you slowly move the stick, it was proportional. The rudder flaps back and forth equally. The model was made out of fuselage was made out of vacuum formed plastic glued together with injected molded wings. And this particular version came with a Cox 049 Golden Bee on the front. So again, the first proportional ARF made.